Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel halwa. Begin by measuring all ingredients precisely and preheating your pan on low heat. Toast semolina or sauté carrots in ghee until golden and fragrant, stirring often to avoid burning. Slowly add hot milk and stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Finish with sugar, crushed cardamom, and toasted nuts, then cook until glossy and slightly caramelized for best texture and flavor. Warm your pan and melt ghee gently, then add semolina or carrots and cook until golden and aromatic. Gradually pour in hot milk while stirring to prevent clumps and maintain a smooth texture. Stir patiently as the mixture thickens, then add sugar and continue to cook until it becomes glossy and pulls from the pan. Fold in cardamom and nuts, taste for sweetness, and transfer to a serving dish when it's set but still soft. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on stirring your halwa instead of sweeping stray sugar. I love the convenience after a sticky caramel session. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For the best caramel halwa, keep heat low and stir regularly to ensure a silky, lump-free result. Experiment by using grated carrot instead of semolina or stirring in a little condensed milk for extra richness and quicker caramelization. Lightly toast almonds and cashews and plump raisins in warm water before folding them in at the end. Adjust sugar to taste as you cook, and remove from heat when the halwa holds its shape but remains moist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.